IFPC Cyber Insurance Finland app. The pros, the cons. The IFPC Cyber Insurance Finland app is built to simplify cyber coverage management for businesses. Many people assume it's only a policy viewer, but it actually allows you to submit claims, track premiums, and get real-time alerts on incidents and policy updates. On the pros side, the app provides comprehensive protection against cyber risks like data breaches, ransomware attacks, and network liability. Submitting claims is simple. You can upload supporting documents, invoices, and screenshots directly from your device. Premium tracking is clear, with reminders for upcoming payments and a full record of past transactions. Push notifications ensure you stay informed about claim status, policy updates, and renewals. The app also includes guidance on preventing cyber risks and handling incidents efficiently. On the con side, most features require an internet connection, so offline use is limited. Some users report slower performance when uploading large files or accessing older claims. Advanced predictive analytics aren't available, so proactive risk management is not part of the app's offerings. In conclusion, the IFPC Cyber Insurance Finland app is practical, user-friendly, and reliable. While it lacks advanced analytics, it performs very well in claims management, premium tracking, and real-time updates. For businesses seeking a simple and effective way to manage cyber coverage, this app is a great choice.